And we're back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping with another amazing outdoor landscape transformation and drainage solution brought to you by the Landscape Doctor. Now, what we've been able to do on this customer's landscape is give them an opportunity to truly take back their landscape by being able to provide them with this beautiful 600 square feet decorative gravel installation where once they had nothing but a muddy mess. Now you can see it just finished raining, and it actually still is raining, and it shows you the reason why we love our beautiful decorative aggregate, because it allows for you to be able to utilize your landscape even while it's raining. So while it may be raining on this landscape, this customer doesn't have to worry about that muddy mess anymore. Doesn't have to worry about the dogs being able to come in and track in all that mud. They're able to utilize this space even while it's raining, and especially right after it's finished raining. Now, this is one of the designs that we put together for a customer in order to give them an opportunity to utilize their entire landscape. If you see our before videos, you'll see where this entire area that you see now, where you see green space, was absolutely dilapidated by a tremendous amount of erosion that had taken on this area. It also says that there was a lot of erosion taking place along this fence line. So I focused on a design that allowed for me to be able to bring in my beautiful custom river rock that allows for us to suck up all that water, where once we had a tremendous amount of erosion and we had a tremendous amount of that water being able to stand in one area. Now this entire landscape has been regraded and shaped out so that it is able to continue to grow in an exceptional fashion, and I truly do appreciate that. I'm so thankful for what God has allowed for us to be able to provide for this customer, and I'm so glad that we've been able to work with the customer that understands the power of God. But it says no matter who you are and where you are, if you're in the Paulding County area, you're looking for a landscape transformation, you don't gotta look far, guys. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been solving customers' landscape dreams for over a decade now, and we'll love to do the same for you.